Are you someone who's tried everything to lose weight? You've tried keto, you've tried calorie restriction, maybe you've tried extreme fitness routines, maybe you've even tried metabolism-boosting medications, only to find that when you stop being so vigilant, the weight creeps back on and brings company home with it. It's so frustrating. What do you do now? Hi, I'm Dr. Harmony with Eternity Health Partners. We strive to bring you cutting-edge medical information so that you can understand and get educated about what's right for you and feel totally comfortable with your treatment plan. In this video, I'll be talking about Mounjaro, or rather the generic version, Tirzepatide. Tirzepatide is more widely available and less expensive than the branded Mounjaro. I'm gonna level with you. As an almost 50-year-old woman, I have been down every road of weight loss that there is. I've always been a healthy and active person, and I've always paid attention to exercise and eating right, but every so often, stress, responsibility, a sedentary lifestyle, or overindulging in vices got the better of me, and the pounds would creep on. I mean, who doesn't do that? In my 20s, it was very easy to get back on track by going for a few runs and doing a few sit-ups. And then in my 30s, it got harder. I had to really pay attention to what I was eating and really start exercising vigorously. I exercised so vigorously, in fact, that I stressed out my adrenal glands to the point where they just wanted to put weight on my body. That was frustrating. Then in my 40s, I started going through the dreaded hormone change that every person, male or female, does go through. It becomes harder to lose the weight. It becomes easier to gain fat and lose muscle. And for this reason, I decided to start researching Tirzepatide. I got to the point of wanting to try Tirzepatide because I was doing everything right. I was eating the right foods in the right amounts. I was exercising also in the right amount, not to stress my body out, but to get results. But I just wasn't getting results from my workouts. And I wasn't getting results from my dietary changes, my healthy diet and lifestyle just wasn't working for me anymore. I was about 7 pounds heavier than I wanted to be, no matter what effort I put myself through. When I decided to give Tirzepatide a try, I did it right before Halloween. Not for any particular reason, but let me tell you my story. We were out trick-or-treating with the kids, and I grabbed a bag of M&Ms and started eating them. After the second or third M&M, I decided, wow, these don't even taste good. I don't even want them. And I gave the bag of M&Ms away, which is something I might have struggled to do in the past, but it was very, very easy to do after my first dose of Tirzepatide. Then, after a week of being on Tirzepatide, something amazing happened again. I hadn't changed my dietary habits or my exercise routines. As I said, those were already pretty solid. But when I got on the scale, I found that 3 pounds had magically melted off. It was so liberating. As I've continued to use Tirzepatide, I find that it reduces my tendency to eat delicious food even when I'm full. It also reduces my cravings for sugar, alcohol, the kind of vices that I used to reach for. And it allows me to indulge in foods I love while maintaining a weight I love, which is extremely liberating. After years of struggling with food, exercise, and the dreaded scale creep, I feel like I have my life back. I honestly feel like I'm in my 20s again when I look in the mirror. It's a huge boost to my self-esteem. You should really work with a qualified healthcare provider on this journey to get the dose right, to get your diet right, to also check your hormones and your stress levels and really get to a lifestyle that's going to work for maintaining your healthiest weight. However, long-term side effects wise, there are really only the long-term side benefits of maintaining a healthy blood sugar, maintaining a healthy weight, and all of the health benefits to your brain, your heart, your joints, your liver. Everything benefits. Now, you're probably wondering how to get started. Simply click the link in the description below and start the ball rolling towards your healthiest, happiest, and slimmest you. I'll see you there. Oh, and remember to click the like button. Give it a healthy tap. Let YouTube know you like this content, and we'll keep bringing it to you week after week. If you like learning about things like this, then give that like button a healthy tap.